have questions when we're done. So this is number 2.
Action.
So we're going to do a proof that is problem number 2 on the second page of the worksheet. And it starts with a picture of a triangle and one angle that is exterior to the triangle at angle W. And 3 angles inside the triangle labeled X, Y, and Z. And our goal is to prove that angle W plus angle X plus angle Z are equal to 180 degrees. So we need to start with a statement of fact, something that we know to be true. And hopefully most of us would start right here because it's a triangle and the 3 angles in the triangle have to sum to 180 degrees. So I could start with the measurement of angle X plus the measurement of angle Y plus the measurement of angle Z equals 180 degrees. And again, when you write your reason or justification, I'm not going to be too particular on how you say it, but if you say something like triangle angle sum theorem, that works well for me. Or if you say that the sum of the angles in a triangle must equal 180, that works well. But triangle angle sum theorem is a good one. And just going to abbreviate theorem, TH. So that's step 1. Step 2, there should be another relationship that hopefully most of you recognize, and we just proved it a moment ago, but angle W and angle Y have to be equal. And
Corresponding.
not corresponding.
Oh.
Remember, we just, I think this was it the last proof we just did or the one before? But, so what's the relationship here, Antonio?
Linear.
Carter, what's the relationship between W and Y?
They're
What's that called, Carter?
all vertical.
Good. So
Vertical, he said.
step 2, measurement of angle W equals measurement of angle Y.
Get your head out of the way.
I'm just going to abbreviate it VAT, and that's for vertical angle theorem.
Vertical angle theorem.
I would suggest you might write it out the first time or two, but if you're comfortable just abbreviating VAT, that's fine. And now, again, keeping the eye on what I'm trying to prove, I need to prove X plus Z plus W equals 180. I know that needs to be my last step, and I'm actually almost there. Can anybody see what the next step would be?
The triangle. Oh, wait, we already did that.
No.
We want to find the interior angles, like
No.
X, Y. They're the.
Yeah, again, trying to, and I'm just gonna write X, and not the measurement, so I want X plus W plus Z equals 180. I'm pretty close to that right here. What, I've got X and Z equals 180, but I got that Y. Can I get rid of that Y and put a W in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, Y, because I know that they're equal.
Y.
So what's my next step? Measurement of angle X plus the measurement of angle, now I'm going to substitute a W in for Y. Measurement of angle W plus the measurement of angle Z equals 180.
That is
And
not a Z.
What property did I just use? Substitution, property of equality. And again, property of equality, just abbreviate that POE.
Look at that dandruff.
Am I done?
No.
I am.
Oh,
Because
you are.
again, what were you asked to
Of course you
prove?
are.
That the measurement of angle W plus measurement of angle X plus measurement of angle Z equals 180. Now, you could argue, and I'm not going to ask you to do this, but if you could argue that, well, I really need to write it exactly as they have it. So if I did that, measurement of angle W, again, and I'm just putting it exactly as they have here. What did I have to do to
Guys,
go from this
FYI,
step
that
to
weird
that
looking
step?
3 at the end, that is a Z apparently. Just so you know.
That is a Z. It's my cursive Z. What did I do to go from this step to that step?
Now you switched.
Okay, I'm so
Yeah,
studious.
all I switched was the W and the X, right? Anybody remember what property that's called from pre-algebra days?
Whoa, whoa.
Commutative property?
Commutative property.
Love that community property.
Come on, man. All these big heads in the way.
Property of addition.
Commutative property of addition.
So that's problem number 2. So again, some things to be leery of. Usually you start with some given information. In this case, the given information was really the picture. And make sure your last step is the step that you're being asked to prove.
Very important.
And that's it. That's a wrap.
That's a
Miss
wrap.
Lester.
All right, guys. Bye.